You just never know when a good idea is going to come your way. I got a comment on my YouTube channel from Dale. His wife makes Navajo fry bread, and they use it for sandwiches. Oh boy, got me thinking. So I want to thank Dale for the idea. I've tried so many Navajo fry bread recipes this last week or so. Incredible. The one I'm using today is the easiest of the bunch. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of Hain featherweight baking powder, no sodium, ordered from Amazon or Healthy Heart Market, 1 1/4 cup of the hottest water that comes from your tap. You're going to put this in, make a little hole in the center, add it, and just move it around with your fingers. It's going to be a sticky dough, and it's supposed to be a sticky dough. There were recipes that called for sugar, and they were okay if you were going to use all of your fried bread for breakfast with honey or whatever it is, but not real good for sandwiches. There were some that had yeast in them. Dough is sticky, and it's supposed to be. So we're doing it right. Take it off my fingers. And because we're not using any yeast, it's not going to rise. But we need the flour to get incorporated into the water with the baking soda. We're going to put a cover on top of it and just let it set for about 2 hours. We'll come back to it and finish it and have some good fry bread. Covered nicely. Come back and check it out in a couple hours. Our dough looks really good. It is sticky. 1 1/2 tablespoons of canola oil for high heat cooking. Drizzle it kind of over the top. Just drizzle it over the top. And then we're going to make our fry bread. We got our oil, and we're going to add just a little of flour to it. Work it in, just a little at a time. Just a little at a time. I'm going to fry the fry bread in my little iron skillet. It's got between 1/2 inch and 1 inch of canola oil for high heat cooking in it. We're going to add flour and turn it until it's not sticky. We'll rip off a piece, make our ball. My cutting board has a little bit of flour on it, and just roll it a little bit. And smack it down with your fingers because we want it to cook right. And the center of it be thinner than the outside. It's going to I have my grease ready to roll. I have a piece of popcorn in my grease. Because when that popcorn pops, then it's going to be ready to lay this fry bread in that grease. Just about perfect temperature. And as I put it in, I'm going to pull the sides to make it thinner on the inside. It's okay if it gets a couple of little holes on the inside. So we're gonna move our frying over a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. We have taco meat here, hamburger meat with a little bit of Mrs. Dash taco seasoning in it. Then we have lettuce. Put some lettuce on top. Ooh, a little bit of onion. Yes. Some tomatoes. Tomatoes and a little bit of avocado. Put some avocado on it. Then we have got Trader Joe's. Has a chili pepper sauce that has no sodium. And you can order from Healthy Heart Market Tangy Bangy hot sauce that has 1 milligram for a tablespoon. This is going to be our Navajo taco. Then I will go back and start cooking the rest of the fried bread. Don't be afraid to add flour to your dough to make it not quite so sticky. I got 6 large fry breads. 3 of them we made into tacos. Oh, mighty good. Mighty good. Got one happy. Use them to eat with chili, stew, whatever you're having. You can use them as a hamburger bun, a bread for your sandwiches. Put that sweet stuff on them and have them for your breakfast. Our batch made 6 large pieces of bread, and each one has no sodium.